Didn't even get to cross.
Okay, and now if we throw this on all of our cubes, give them all 25, you will see that the map is different each time we click play. Alright, so let's go to Shift. Shift is going to go ahead and take in a public int amount to Shift. And this will also only have an awake function. And this will take a random range between our shift and 0, or a negative shift, to determine how much we want to move our object. Okay, so we should really have this as a vector 3 mount to shift, and then we will take our current position and say pause, and this will equal a random range between negative amount to shift x, and we will do this for each x, y, and z. Okay, and then we will grab every cube again, and drag shift onto them. And we really just want to do x and z and click play. Now, after we do all this, we want to go transform.position equals pause. And click play. We have them all move 0, z to 0. We need to add to this our current position dot x. Oops. Okay. Let's try that again. And now we shift slightly. Okay. Grab all the cubes. Put that up to 1. Okay. And then after this, we are going to go ahead and say destroy this. In rotate, we are going to move the cube in 45-degree angles. It's similar to shift. But we want to only do the sum of the times, so we will have another rate. If chance to shift, or if random dot range between 0 and 100 is less than chance. Then we will apply a 45-degree turn to our cube. We're going to grab a vector 3 rotation equals transform dot rotation dot Euler angles, and then rotation dot x, and then we're going to go ahead and say transform dot rotation equals quaternion dot Euler rotation. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and select all of these guys and drag rotate onto this. And we're going to give them a 50% chance to rotate. And we click play. And we zoom in. We will see that that is the wrong angle to rotate on. Okay. Then we have colorize. So let's open that guy up. So colorize is going to change the way the cube looks. If you go into our prefabs, you see that we have two prefabs, a cube obstacle and cube obstacle 2, each with a different texture on them. If you go into our textures, you see that we have that one and that one. If we go into, so what we're going to need is a way of assigning these prefabs, or these textures. So we're going to have a public list of texture to 2D textures, texture 2D, and this is using system.collections.generic, and also in awake we are going to grab a random texture, texture 2D equals texture sub random dot range between 0 and textures dot count, and then we're going to access our game object render dot material dot main texture equals random text, and we're going to destroy this. And this guy should also destroy this. Okay. So then let's grab each one of these cubes again and give it colorize. Go to textures and assign both textures to it, and then click play. And so now we will see that we have some cubes of some textures and some of others. And then we're going to go up to the top and apply these changes. And that will be it for this first video. Thank you.
Didn't even get to cross.